we sail a little bit high.
As a citizen of India, I am so proud to talk to you about my mother India. On the night of August 14, 1947, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru rose to make a maiden speech in New Delhi. When the world sleeps, India will wake to life and freedom. Yes, India became free from the bondage of British rule. Now India is the largest democratic country in the world. The country's strength is to find unity in diversity, but there are strains that test her secularism, but the people of India are ready to sacrifice anything for the cause of unity. Today we remember the great leaders who gave their lives for the nation's freedom and prosperity. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar gave the longest written constitution to us. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru worked for an industrialized India. Gandhiji taught as ahimsa and non-violence. Subhash Chandra Bose injected courage. Inner Swami Vivekananda gave us spiritual power. Yes, with these constitutions, India will be the superpower in the coming years. Our former President Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam called the children of India to dream to build a strong nation with aim and Indeed, this is not a word of a single man. It is word of 1 billion souls. Hail India! Jai Hind!
Bye.